Open up the piano and let's play Million Little Miracles by Elevation Worship. We are going to play in the key of E major. There's a total of 4 chords in this song. The first chord we have our E major, right hand we have E, G sharp, B, left hand we're going to have finger 5 on E. Okay, see this is our middle C. We're going to go down 2 octaves. This is our E major. Next chord we have our A major. We're going to keep to E for our right hand thumb. The next 2 notes we're going to move up to A and C sharp, left hand finger 2. This is our A major. Next chord we have our B major, right hand we're going to move down to D sharp and F sharp. Right hand, last finger we have our B, D sharp, F sharp and B. This is our B major, left hand thumb. This is our B major. And last chord we have our C sharp minor. We're going to keep to E, G sharp and C sharp, left hand C sharp we're going to stretch. This is our C sharp minor. So since there's only 4 chords to this song, our playing pattern for our verse, pre-chorus, chorus and bridge will be a little bit different. For our verse and pre-chorus, we're going to keep to both right, right, right. The tempo will be like this. Both right, right, right. Both right, right, right. For our chorus and bridge, we're going to keep up the difficulty level. We're going to go both right, 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 left. So we're going to add 2 bars together. Both right, 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 left. Both right, 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 left. This is a tutorial video, so be sure to check out the next video for the practice track. So let's start verse 1. E major. All my life I've been E major, carried by grace. E major. Don't ask me how, cause I E major can explain. A major is nothing short of a major miracle. I'm here. E major. E major again. Verse 2. E major. I've got some blessings that I E major don't deserve. E major. I've got some scars, but that's E major how you learn. A major is nothing short of a major miracle. I'm here. E major. E major. So let's play verse 1 and verse 2 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. All my life I've been carried by grace. Don't ask me how, cause I can't explain. Change to A. It's nothing short of a miracle. I'm here. Back to E. Verse 2, remain on E. I've got some blessings that I don't deserve. E. I've got some scars, but that's how you learn. A major. It's nothing short of a miracle. I'm here. E. Let's move on to pre-chorus. We have a B major, we have a D sharp, F sharp, and B. B major. I think it over and it. A major doesn't add up. B major. I know it comes from above. A major. So let's play pre-chorus 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I think it over and it doesn't add up. B. I know it comes from above. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's move on to our chorus with a playing pattern as a both right, 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 left for every chord. Okay, so let's start from chorus. E chord, I've got. E chord, miracles or miracles. E chord again, a million little. C sharp minor, miracles. A chord, E chord again, miracles or miracles. E chord, E major chord, yep, count your miracles. C sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, I, A chord, can't even count them all, E major, E major again. Let's play chorus smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I've got miracles on miracles, a million little miracles. Miracles on miracles. Count your miracles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even count them all. Let's go verse 3 and 4, similar to verse 1 and 2. Playing pattern both right, right, right. Verse 3, E chord. You held me steady so I, E major, won't give up. E chord. You open doors that no, E chord, body could shut. A major. I hope I never get old. A major, the what you've done. E major, E major. Verse 4, I wanna live with an E major, open heart. E major. I wanna live like I, E major, know who you are. A major. I hope I never get old. A major, the what you've done. E major, E major. So let's play verse 3 and verse 4 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, E major, and we go. You held me steady so I won't give up. E. You open doors that nobody could shut. A. I hope I never get over what you've done. E. E again. Verse 4 and E. I wanna live with an open heart. E. I wanna live like I know who you are. And A. I hope I never get over what you've done. E. E. Let's move on to pre-chorus 2, which is the same as pre-chorus 1. We have a B major, D sharp, F sharp, and B. B major is not coincidence, and A major, it is not luck. B major, I know it comes from above. A major. Let's play pre-chorus 2 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, B major, and we go. It's not coincidence and it is not luck. B. I know it comes from above. A. Now let's move on to our bridge, where our playing pattern is going to be a both right, 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 left. Okay? So for bridge, we start with an E chord. I can even. E chord. I can even count them all. C sharp minor. I can even. A chord. I can even count them all. E major chord. I can even. E major chord. I can even count them all. C sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, I. A major chord. Can even count them all. And then we repeat the bridge. Okay, so let's play smoothly for the bridge. Ready? 1, 2, E chord, and we go. I can even count them all. I can even count them all. I can even count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, I can even count them all. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.